every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better.
Today is rock slider installation day, so I'm doing this at TJM Middleburg. I'm looking forward to this one. It's the first time here at TJM. We met at some point on the campsite, and the guys have been wonderful people. TJM Middleburg is located about 1 hour 30 minutes away from Joburg. It's fully fledged 4x4 off-road store with a showroom filled with all the adventure gear that they sell and also install in their back workshop. Ever since I started doing 4x4 trails and off-road adventure travel, I must say I picked up quite a few scratches and some battle scars along the way, some of which damaged my vehicle side steps, almost completely sheared them off. A typical off-road travel will sometimes have eroded and washed away roads, traveling through overgrown vegetation that requires skill to navigate and cross. The risk to such travel is that one can damage the underside of the vehicle and side panels and so on, where visibility might be a problem and where obstacles themselves are challenging to cross. Let's go see the installation process and how the guys get to do it. Rock sliders protect the vehicle at high lift checkpoints and where needed. Admittedly, the downside to installing rock sliders is the weight component of it. I'm installing 62 kilograms worth of weight combined between the two rock sliders. If they were lighter, they would have been great, but they can take quite a beating and are quite robust. The steel tube ones weigh about 49 kilograms, are slightly less than this. The weight of the rock sliders for me in their position acts as a stabilizing load to counter any roof loads that one would have. So being below the center of gravity of the vehicle is for me a comfortable weight to have at that point. Yes, there's a fuel cost to it. Had they been a bit lighter, it would have been a bonus. But so it is, that's the cost of the journey.
Stephen, thank you for being with us today here by TJM Middleburg. We removed the side steps and fitted you some rock sliders.
Yeah, no, I'm stoked. That's something I've always had on my bucket list for a very long time. So I'm quite happy about it. Yeah, you can see what I did to these ones.
Yeah, you broke the stuff by entering the bushes and not driving in the streets. Nah? So this stuff is for mama going to the mall and stuff.
Yeah.
And the rock sliders are going to be for you and not for mom.
Yeah.
Going to the bushes and not for the...
These ones are for
malls.
Are for men and not for mamas. Anyways. Okay, no, great stuff. I couldn't believe that they were like this. How did they build this? How did they fix them?
Right, so the side steps are built onto the body and the rock sliders are built onto the chassis.
Okay.
So it's the movement of the body is away from the chassis.
Yeah.
So these rock sliders are no welding, no grinding, no drilling.
Oh.
We use standard bolts and everything on the chassis we get bolts onto.
Yeah.
These ones with the rock sliders, you can go over rocks and stuff and you don't have to be scared to damage your vehicle at the bottom.
Yeah.
Like these ones where you can see where the rocks have caught it now. And it actually done a very good job for the while it was on your vehicle.
Yeah, it played a role. It protected to some extent.
Yes.
Yeah. But thank you so much, Manas. I appreciate that you're able to assist me here with these new babies. I'm going to test them at the Raptors farm. So I hope to be climbing a few rocks. I'll obviously take lots of pictures for you.
Yes, awesome. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And you must enjoy them.
Yeah.
And the Richtersveld is more enjoyable.
Yeah.
Yes.
With the rock sliders.
With the rock sliders.
Yeah, no, great stuff. Thank you so much. I think then, guys, this wraps up our installation. Fantastic work.
The guys here are professional, they know what they're doing, and I'm happy. After they installed them, I was just jumping on them like a child here, swinging on them. So I'm super excited, and they're not too low. These ones, with these brackets, they were dropping them quite a little bit. So my clearance was low. So now with the rock sliders, it's quite high. So it's something that I'm super stoked about. I went underneath, also saw the whole thing and everything. I'm very happy.
Right.
Great stuff. Thanks for joining us.
Good. Thanks. Bye.